Dear teacher, dear viewer, how are you? So with me here, this is a cassava stem cutting, as you can see, as you can observe. It is the same that is on my chart, as you can see. So that means that I've made this video to show you something. If you are to teach cassava stem cutting as a method of propagation, it's better to look for one so as you can allow learners to touch and observe. The parts, they should look at the nodes, they should look at the auxiliary buds, for example, that is sprouting from the node, and even the functions of the parts of a cassava stem cutting. So I've made this video to show you to shape or to reshape the way we are supposed to teach, the way we are supposed to prepare the children we teach for assessment tests. We are also supposed to equip these learners with skills that will help them, for example, to know how to plant or grow cassava in their home or after school. Leave alone scoring D1s and what have you, the curriculum emphasizes us that we are supposed to help these learners to equip them with knowledge on how to grow a cassava plant. So without wasting time, let's quickly jump into these questions. The first question, name the method of vegetative propagation where the above part of a cassava plant is used. Question 2, state the function played by part Z and part W during the propagation of a cassava plant. Roman 1, part Z. Roman 2, part W. Part C, state two qualities of a good cassava stem cutting for planting. Part D, state two reasons why seeds are not used in the growing of cassava. Then the last question, give one similarity between a cassava plant and a sweet potato plant in terms of their propagation. The reason why I have put these questions here is to show you that sometimes these days we need to teach in detail. When you don't teach in detail, those learners you are teaching, they may find challenges in attempting assessment tests that they may come across. That means that the whole thing is about curriculum interpretation. Sometimes we underteach, sometimes we overteach, which is not good. Because when you check in the curriculum, you may not find things like functions of these parts. You may not find qualities of a good cassava stem cutting for planting. You may not find the reasons why seeds are not used in the growing of cassava. But these days, the way they set questions, for example, they will see that you told that a cassava plant is propagated by stem cuttings. Then now they will ask the opposite of the stem cutting. They want to see whether the teacher helped these learners to know that much as cassava plants have seeds, but why is a stem cutting preferred instead of seeds? That's what we call exhaustive teaching. That's what we call teaching in detail. And that is the way to go. You are also supposed to compare this cassava, the propagation in cassava with propagation in other crops. You are also supposed to bring out the difference or helping learners to get the difference between the propagation in cassava with other crops. Maybe they learned in P4 or even some they learned in B5. So you are supposed to teach in totality. Dear viewer, why don't I end here my video as I wait for your answers in the comment section. See you.